There's no longer the need to lift and carry countless heavy blocks and stack them under the home. So we can install our helical piles using an excavator and a hydraulic drive. Again, there's no heavy lifting. All they have to do is pull up the internal extension and clamp onto the I-beam of the home.
With helical piles, as you can see outside, we just load them up on the truck, we take them with us, we install them, we build our product, and we get them down the road.
Being able to level the house much easier. You're not blocking up 8 inches, 4 inches, 2 inches at a time with heavy material. Now you have a screw head that you can screw up or down to level the home, which just it's faster and it's much easier.
They'll get our product set up very well and professionally and safe and sound with this product much quicker.